Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Lamesta. I hope you're doing well, and I'm here to introduce our story of the week. From Sheep to Sweater by Liza Paul. This week, our story is an informational text, so the words and photographs will give factual or real information about sheep. We will also have some text features in our story. I want you to look for those. We've seen those before. In this story, because it's an informational text, we will have real photographs, which will help us to see what something looks like. There will also be labels. The labels will name a specific part of the photograph. I also want you to pay attention to the highlighted vocabulary words. These are also your target words that Mrs. Hines will be using this week for your classroom story. So read along with me as I read From Sheep to Sweater. From Sheep to Sweater, written by Liza Paul. From Sheep to Sweater. A sheep is an animal with lots of fur. The sheep's fur is a thick, warm coat called a fleece. The fleece can be made into a nice, warm sweater. Sheep. How does the thick, warm coat of a sheep get made into yarn? How does the yarn get made into a nice, warm sweater? Wool sweater. A farmer takes care of his herd of sheep all year. The farmer makes sure the sheep are healthy. Healthy sheep make good yarn. Herd. By spring, the farmer is looking for his tools. He will soon shear the sheep. This means he will cut the fleece off each sheep. That helps the sheep stay cool. By winter, the fleece will grow back. First, the sheep stands on a special table. The farmer brushes the fleece to clean it. Next, the farmer wets and combs the fleece. The fleece must be clean and straight. Washing. Then the farmer trims the sheep. He uses a special tool that is a kind of razor. The farmer starts trimming on the sheep's back. Then the farmer trims on the sides and shoulders. Finally, the farmer trims on the sheep's head. Trimming. Now the farmer has a bunch of wool, but the wool isn't ready yet. It must be washed. Sometimes it is put in dye. Dye gives the wool color. Then the wool is spun. During spinning, strands of wool twist together. The twisted strands make yarn. Yarn. People can knit the yarn to make a sweater. And a nice warm sweater is perfect for a cold day. Knitting. I hope you liked From Sheep to Sweater. I've attached some comprehension questions for you to complete. I hope to see you on Tuesday for a Zoom session so we can discuss From Sheep to Sweater in more detail. Have a great day.